This vehicle feels so solid on the road, man. Like really, really solid. You know how you can drive some vehicles in the wind. Like if it's windy outside, you can feel the vehicle shaking, but not this vehicle. It's just it passes all the tests. I'll tell you that. Come on. Yep. It feels so good, man. You can feel your presence on the road. Like this vehicle commands the road. You've got a Jaguar emblem. What else do you need? You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Not bad. I really wish I had the supercharged one, but I'm not worried about it. This is just as fast as the supercharged one. And to be honest, from what I've learned, I think the supercharged ones I have so many issues than the NAs, you know, the regular V8 NA. So, yep. Going over bumps, easy, light work. This vehicle came with an air suspension, but it was replaced before I got it. Because you guys know the air suspensions always have issues, you know. I'm not worried about it. It would have been nice because people get scared when this air suspension go bad because they think they have to buy another one like 1,500 when they can just go coilovers. I'm all about that low life, so I'm not worried about air suspension going bad on me at all. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. I think I like this mount, man. I think I like it. The next time I'm gonna get something. I have an 8 mount too. And I'm gonna drop that into my in my description too. That's pretty good too. you know, when I put it on my head, I can turn around and you guys can see the full motion, you know what I'm saying, and everything. So I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna use that next. That's the one I used the first video I made with this car. But I like this better, man, because this just focus in one spot and just, you know, and I might get another recording device so I can put it on my head so I can, in case I turn around. But I'm still gonna try the air mount too. I'm gonna try that. That's not a problem, bro. I like this better for now, just to get the whole POV action, you know. All right, let's get back on the interstate again. Man, if I put exhaust on this car, it's gonna sound so good, man. This V8 actually growls. You can hear it. Like, I mean, it's one thing to have a V8, and it's another thing to have a V8 that actually make that sound that growls, you know. You can hear it. This thing picks up, man. This thing picks up, man. Gotta love it. Gotta love it, man. If you guys have a chance to get a good Jaguar like this, please do. These are the making model. This 05, that was when Ford still working with Jaguar, you know what I'm saying, to make vehicles. Do it. These are one of the best years ever. You know what I'm saying? Well made. Pretty good. So yeah. Yep. Now they kind of, I mean, Jaguar ain't that really not that good anymore now, for some reason, because it's trash now, to be honest. But back in the day, like this XJs, nasty. And they get up and go. They get up and go, trust me. If you have a chance to get a nice one, clean one, well maintained, do it. Trust me, do it. Because your presence, it commands everything. People look at you, you know, no matter how old it is. It's just like getting a Maserati, like getting like old school Maserati. No matter how old it is, wherever you go, people look at you like, okay, Big Daddy. You know what I'm saying? Okay, Big Daddy type shit. So, and I just like my cars older. I'm sorry. If it's clean and old, I love it. I don't do newer cars, man. I don't do payments. You gotta be smart with your finances, man. Not having a car payments and having 3 cars without car payments, that's a blessing. All 3 cars work good, runs good, and they still got it. What else you need? Like, come on, man. It feels good out here today too. I think we like in the low 50s. So yeah, feels really good. That's the only reason why I'm outside. I can't stand the winter time. I cannot. But yeah, you guys, man, the suspension feels so solid, bro. Like so solid and everything. So if you get a chance ever to get one of these, do it. You won't regret it. Do it. Alright. Yep. Overall, I like the mount. Doesn't feel like it's doesn't feel too loose, so yeah, this is definitely gonna be added to my collection. This is gonna be added to my collection. If you guys want if you guys interested in this mount, I'm gonna link the link inside my I'm gonna put in my description so you guys can get it right from Amazon. And I think it was $11, I think $11-12, not $19. But for the price, to be honest, not bad for the price overall. So yeah. All right, y'all, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment too. You know what I'm saying? If you have any questions about this vehicle, let me know. I think this is my second one I've ever had. So the first one was a white one and a tan interior. This is my second one, so black on black. So if you have any questions before you get one, just let me know. I'll help any way I can. So all right, y'all, peace. All right, let me give you a little something a little bit before. All right, y'all. Peace.